Hello everyone. So I would like to talk about also the which Unity version you should use. Okay. So right now I have this version 2022 in my computer, but I would still prefer to install if I go to official releases, not this one. Sorry, if I click the install editor, I will still install this version. Okay. So your asset would appeal to also the users who are using 2021. Okay. And this should be okay, but still if you want to install like a more previous versions of Unity, you can still go to archive and you can click download archive, and here you will see you have a lot of versions of Unity, so you can go up to 2017 as well. I mean down to 2070, sorry, not up to. And you see, so you can click here and you can still see this version of Unity. You see, it's better you install the LTS versions of Unity, you see. So these don't have LTS, which means long-term support. So I would still go with this version of Unity, which is 2021. Okay, so it's up to you. So we will continue by installing the one in the editor that recommends us with the LTS version. I will click this and I will get rid of all these, and I don't even need this one because I have this installed in my computer as well. This is the, how can I say, the space you will need in your computer. So you will click install and this will install into my computer. So, in the further parts of our course, we will start creating assets also in the Unity, in this version of Unity. Okay, see you there then. Bye bye.